Hey, hi Amin, how are you doing?
Hi, fine.
So tell me, which place is this?
This is Yamba City.
Yamba City? This is
Yamba Al
Yan
Bahar.
Al Bahar. So Al Bahar means
Yes.
sea.
Miss C,
Yeah,
yeah.
we can see the sea, and here we can see the boat. And there's so many, private boats are here. This is a place, beautiful place, and we have just come here for a shisha,
What's the
and
meaning of shisha?
that we in India we call it as hookah.
Hookah.
Hookah. Okay, so everybody understand.
When you are getting hookah, what you do?
Oh, we just fly. Once we take the hookah, we just fly in the air. You can now record me.
Yes. Yeah. What's your what do you feel when you get
Oh,
hookah?
last time when we came, so we enjoyed a lot. And this place is a beautiful place, and we have a good friends like you.
Thanks.
So we'll always remember. So with this video, when we'll become old, so we will remember each other. So
Inshallah. We are not forget it too.
yeah,
That's what.
just click that one. Yeah, and here. This is this place.